Did you know that a single exercise can transform your entire body? It's true. This exercise is none other than the burpee, a full-body workout that combines strength, cardio and endurance into one powerful movement. The burpee is a simple yet powerful movement. It starts from a standing position, then you drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, return to the squat, and finally jump up with your hands reaching for the sky. This sequence of movements engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, and arms. The burpee is not just about building muscle, it also significantly boosts your cardiovascular fitness. It works all your muscles. From your quads and hamstrings to your abs and shoulders, every part of your body gets a workout. This makes burpees an incredibly efficient exercise, perfect for those who want to maximize their workout in a short amount of time. It can help you reach your fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall fitness, incorporating burpees into your routine can help you get there faster. Let's explore the amazing benefits of burpees. Burpees are challenging. They require strength, coordination, and endurance, making them a true test of your physical capabilities. But they are also rewarding. Completing a set of burpees gives you a sense of accomplishment and boosts your confidence. Plus, the endorphins released during this intense exercise can improve your mood and energy levels. They push you to your limits. Each burpee challenges your body and mind, helping you build mental toughness and resilience. The more you do, the stronger and more determined you become. They help you break through barriers. Whether it's pushing past a fitness plateau or overcoming mental blocks, burpees teach you to persevere and keep going no matter how tough it gets. Whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned athlete, burpees can take your fitness to the next level. They are versatile and can be modified to suit any fitness level, making them accessible to everyone. So, why not give burpees a try and experience their transformative power for yourself? Burpees are considered a full-body exercise. This means they work for many muscle groups at the same time. When you do a burpee, you use your legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms. This makes it a very efficient workout. Burpees are popular for a reason. They are effective. You can do them anywhere. You don't need any equipment. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts love burpees. They include them in their routines. Some people worry about getting injured while doing burpees. This is a common concern, especially for those new to high-intensity workouts. The fear of injury can sometimes be a barrier to starting or continuing an exercise routine. It's important to use proper form. Proper form is crucial not only for maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise, but also for minimizing the risk of injury. A personal trainer can be very helpful in demonstrating the correct technique. This will help prevent injuries. Start slowly. When beginning, it's essential to focus on mastering the form rather than the speed or number of repetitions. This approach helps build a strong foundation. Gradually increase the number of burpees you do. Listen to your body. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can start to increase the intensity and number of repetitions. Tracking your progress can be motivating and help you see how far you've come. Rest when you need to. Another concern is burnout. Overtraining can lead to physical and mental exhaustion, making it difficult to maintain a consistent workout routine. Doing any exercise every day can lead to burnout. It's important to vary your workouts and include rest days to allow your body to recover. Burnout can also lead to a decrease in performance and increase the risk of injury. It's essential to listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of overtraining, such as persistent fatigue, irritability, or a decrease in performance. Mindful exercise practices can help you stay in tune with your body's needs. Take breaks when you need them. Incorporating regular breaks into your workout routine can help prevent burnout and keep you motivated. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. You can also modify the burpee. Modifications can make the exercise more accessible and less intense, especially for beginners or those with specific physical limitations. This will make it less intense. By adjusting the exercise to your fitness level, you can still reap the benefits without overexerting yourself. Remember, the goal is to stay active and healthy, not to push yourself to the point of injury or burnout. Doing burpees every day can increase your strength. They work multiple muscle groups. This helps you build muscle mass. You will notice you can lift heavier objects. You will also feel stronger overall. Burpees are also great for endurance. They challenge your cardiovascular system. This means your heart and lungs get stronger. You will be able to work out longer. You will also feel less out of breath. Section 5. Beyond the physical, mental clarity and mood boost. Exercise has amazing benefits for mental health. Burpees are no exception. When you do burpees, your brain releases endorphins. Endorphins are natural mood boosters. They can help reduce stress and anxiety. Burpees also challenge you mentally. You need focus and determination to complete a set of burpees. This can help improve your mental clarity. You might find it easier to focus on other tasks throughout the day. Section 6. A transformation story. Sarah's journey with daily burpees. This is a story of determination, perseverance, and the power of a simple yet effective exercise. Sarah was skeptical about burpees. She had heard about their benefits, but was unsure if she could handle the intensity. She thought they looked too hard. Watching videos of people performing burpees made her doubt her own abilities, but she decided to try them. Despite her doubts, Sarah took the plunge and decided to give burpees a shot. She started with just a few burpees a day. At first it was challenging, but she was determined to push through. She gradually increased the number. Each day she added one more burpee to her routine, slowly building her strength and endurance. After a few weeks, she noticed a difference. Her body began to change and she could see the results of her hard work. She felt stronger and more energetic. Her clothes fit better. She was happier overall. Sarah's story is inspiring. Her confidence grew as she saw the positive changes in her body and mind. It shows that anyone can benefit from burpees. Sarah's journey is a testament to the fact that, with consistency and effort, anyone can achieve their fitness goals. No matter your fitness level, you can incorporate burpees into your routine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, burpees can be adapted to suit your needs and help you reach your fitness aspirations. Sarah's journey began with a simple decision to try something new. She set small, achievable goals and tracked her progress along the way. Each milestone she reached motivated her to keep going. Celebrating these small victories kept her motivated and focused on her long-term goals. Sarah's story also inspired others. She shared her journey on social media, encouraging friends and followers to join her in the challenge. Soon, a community of people joined her, supporting each other and sharing their own progress. The power of community and shared goals made the journey even more rewarding. Looking back, Sarah is proud of how far she has come. Her journey with daily burpees not only transformed her body but also her mindset. Now she looks forward to new challenges and continues to set higher goals for herself. Sarah's journey is a reminder that with dedication and perseverance, anything is possible. So take a page from Sarah's book. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your own transformation unfolds. Burpees might just be the key to unlocking your fitness potential. Section 7. Recap: why burpees should be your go-to exercise. Burpees are a fantastic exercise. They offer numerous benefits. They increase strength and endurance. They boost your mood. They are a full-body workout. You can do them anywhere, anytime. What are you waiting for? Remember to start slowly. Listen to your body. Modify the exercise if needed. With dedication and consistency, you will see amazing results. Section 8. Join the movement. Share your story and explore more. Have you tried burpees? Share your experience. Join the conversation. Let's inspire each other. There are many other great workouts to explore. Find what you enjoy. Keep your body moving. Your health will thank you.